Discuss about the service reservoir or distribution reservoir. Distribution reservoir is known as service reservoir or storage reservoir. The main purpose of this reservoir is to store the water for emergency purpose such as firefighting. Service reservoirs having the different types as per the material used for the construction work: RCC, reinforced cement concrete; masonry, it may be stone masonry or brick masonry. Third is a steel. Classification of reservoir is based upon the shape of tank. One is a circular tank and second is a rectangular tank. Classification of service reservoir is based upon construction or based upon the elevation. One is a surface reservoir, elevated reservoir, and the stand pipes. Main purpose of service reservoir is it provides and maintains the desired constant pressure in the distribution system. It provides the emergency storage for the firefighting, failure of pumps, or power and bursting of rising main. It decreases the pressure fluctuations. Pump can be operated to store the reservoir at a constant rate. When water demand and supply are fluctuated, then it can be balanced by service reservoir. It absorbs the hourly variation in demand. It reduces the size of the water supply pipes and capacities of the pump, and hence so far it makes the distribution system economical. It prevents 24 hours pumping in case of small installations. Function of distribution reservoir: to absorb the hourly variation in demand, to maintain a constant pressure in the distribution mains. Water stored can be supplied during the emergencies. Location and height of distribution reservoir need to be located as close as possible to the center of demand. Water level in reservoir must be at a sufficient elevation to permit gravity flow at an adequate pressure. Types of reservoir: depending upon their elevation with respect to the ground, it classify into the 2 points. One is a surface reservoir, second is elevated reservoir. Surface reservoir. So basically surface reservoir is based upon the earth. The diagram of surface reservoir is shown in a presentation. The basic information about the surface reservoir: when the reservoir are constructed either at ground level or below the ground level, then it is called as surface reservoir. Such type of reservoir are usually in a rectangular shape, circular shape, or constructed either in RCC or constructed in masonry. It is generally constructed into 2 or 3 chambers or component and useful during the repair and the cleaning. One chamber can be completely emptied and other chamber is kept in operation while repairing and cleaning. 2 components are connected and controlled by shut-off wall. A drain pipe and scour wall is provided at the bottom for cleaning purpose. The surface reservoir is also called as groundwater reservoir. Mostly circular or rectangular. Groundwater reservoir are preferred, especially when the size is large. These reservoirs are constructed on a high natural ground and are usually made up of stones, bricks, plain or reinforced cement concrete. The sides wall are designed to take up the pressure of the water when the reservoir is full and the earth pressure when it is empty. The position of groundwater table is also considered while designing the reservoir. The floors of these reservoirs may be constructed with RCC slab or square stone block resting on columns. To obtain the water tightness, bitumen components are used at all construction joints. At the top of roof, about 16 cm thick earth layer is deposited and maintain green lawns to protect the reservoir from cold and heat. For aeration of water and inspection, ventilation, pipes and stairs are provided. ESR. Second type of reservoir is elevated service reservoir, is also referred to as overhead tanks, are required at the distribution area which are not governed and controlled by the gravity system of distribution. These are rectangular, circular or elliptical in shape. If the topography of the town not suitable for under gravity, the elevated tank or reservoir are constructed.